Alright, so I took a screenshot of before and after this process. I'm going to show you how to clean your fan and also download software to control the fan and know the temperature of your MacBook. So here we go. Alright, so you can get your tools out here and go ahead and unscrew this. You're going to get the screws out on the back of your MacBook. Alright, so once you have it unscrewed, you can go ahead and take this off. Right? And then you want to go ahead and see this fan. Pretty dusty, dirty. So you want to unscrew this here. Okay, so this will require a different type of screw. So you can pop this out, right, put in the right one. You can see top there, and then I'll put the information about which to use to actually get the fan out in the description. Alright, so once you have the fan unscrewed, you can go ahead and pop it out. Now, there will be a little clip there. You have to pull this up slightly, right? Gently pull that out. You can see right here. Little wire at the top, so pull that out, and then you can pull this up and out. Okay. So this is very dusty. I'm gonna get this cleaned, and then MacBook, very dusty, as you can see. So you can go ahead and get paper towel or whatever you want to get. Make sure if you're using an actual cleaner, make sure it is approved and it won't harm your device. But that's why I'm just going to start with the paper towel and wipe this off. Alright, so I also use a Q-tip. Got pretty dirty. Alright, and then the paper towel. A lot of dust in there. So now we can go ahead and put this back together. Alright, so once you're done screwing everything back in, you can go ahead and restart your computer. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I have my Mac restarted now. It's doing much better as far as the temperature goes. It's been restarted for several minutes now, and it's actually going down. Before it always go up in temperature, but it's actually going down. So it was pretty dirty and dusty. Now, also, I would recommend downloading this fan if you do not have it on your Mac currently. So download this, and you can control the fan, right? So once you download, you can drop that into your applications folder, right? And then open it up, and then you would have it up here, right? So you can see the temperature. You can do the preferences, right? Make sure it's displayed. You can change the color, right? And then you can make it censored, or you can have it constant. So mine is always having problems, so I have it constant. But now that it's doing a lot better, I could probably switch it to censor and just have it pick up when the Mac starts to overheat a little bit. But it's up to you, but I would definitely recommend having this fan control so you know what the temperature is and then what it's running at. So overall, thanks for watching.